everybody, Julianne here. I'm here to give you some tips, like a mini workshop on side crow. Sometimes it's called twisted crane. In Sanskrit it's called Parsva, Bakasana. Side crow is really an intense twist. So to get ready for our little workshop, would you warm up with me with a couple of twisting poses? First, let's just go right ahead and take our chair twist. Assume your chair position if you want to do it along with me, or just watch carefully. Here we are, here we are. We'll go ahead and twist to the left. Bend the knees, bring the right elbow way over the thigh. Apply some pressure on the leg with your arm and push into the arm with the leg too. When you bring that top hand in, press it down to increase your torque. Release it. Do the same thing on the other side. Bring your opposite elbow up and around. Grab it, pull it around. Bring your hand in and push. Now, of course, you could stay longer if you want to as you do it. Breathe deeply there. I just want to give you a few tips so you can practice it on your own. Okay? And then take some time to sit yourself. One leg long, the other one in. Same thing again. Twist up and around with your elbow. Now, watch the elbow. It comes down and across, as far down the leg as you could. If you were to just take your elbow at your knee, that wouldn't be effective, yeah? You've got to see how far across the leg you can bring it, and then pull on it and face as much to the side as you can. Crow's really a twist, and then chaturanga, and then taking your legs up and your feet off the floor. Other side. Bring yourself up as far as you can. Get your arm across, pull on it, rotate the torso, and see if your arm can go down. Eventually preparing yourself to put that hand down and take the arms into a chaturanga position. Okay? All right. Next thing to warm up, very cool pose, cool exercise. You're going to lie down on your back, like a crunch exercise actually. Bring the knees in. Take the knees over to the right, but don't take them too far. Just about there is good. Then bring the arms across, again like you were going to take that elbow across your thigh, like we just did when we were sitting. Take both arms forward. Then bend both arms. And take the arm that's not on your leg and put it behind your head and pull it up. This is incredible how much it engages your core muscles. Stay there for a little bit. And if you can see this position, it's pretty much your crow pose, just not on the floor, with your hands. Up and over to the other side to warm up that area. Bring the opposite arm up and over your knee. Stretch the arms in front of you first. Bend them in. And take your free hand and pull your head for a bit. And then release. God, feels good right here, nice and strong. All right, same feeling. Both legs in. Up and around. Again, first to the right side, pull on that leg with your arm. Lift yourself up as best as you can. So you can get your hand to the floor. And other side. Lift it up and around. I know I'm going a little bit quickly, but again, I just want you to get a little bit of an idea of things here so you can practice on your own. And also so I don't lose your attention. I don't want you to go clicking onto some other fun thing before we're done here, right? All right, so here we go. Up and around. I'm going to face this way. I think it'll be easier for you to see. So we're just going to go to side crow from here instead of from chair twist. All right? Left elbow up and over your legs like we just practiced. Lift yourself up nice and strong. Put your hands down. Bring your other hand over. Lift your bottom up and bring your arms to chaturanga. Elbows in. Take your chest forward. Now we're going to float the top hip over the bottom hip. And it will take the feet right off the floor. Out to the side, in fact, not straight behind you. Yes? Other side. Twist the torso up and around. Lift it high. Bring the hand down. Bring the other one in. Move the feet wherever you need them to be in order to be able to push off them. And if you need to rearrange your hands a little bit here, do so. Lift up, bottom up as the chest comes forward. Bottom up as the chest comes forward. Now float your top hip over your bottom hip and feet go to the side. Now I'll talk more to you about that top hip floating over the bottom hip someday in a new video. But for now, maybe got a few tips. Hope that helps. See you again real soon.